Hello everyone, I am Srishti Singh from UP Deoria and I have done my diploma in the field of mechanical engineering from Government College in 2022 and I want to share my incredible journey with the Evision team. It's been a good platform to learn and earn. If anybody wants to earn or learn something new, that he should be join Evision. It's been an extraordinary experience and I can't wait to tell you all about it. It's a good experience for me also, I want to decided to enroll in the CCNA courses offered by Evision, and that was a game changer for me. I can't think that it was a game changer for me. The trainers are not just experienced; they are passionate about what they teach. I gained a wealth of knowledge in a short period. I just have to say it. And in just 60 days, I achieved something I never thought possible. I got selected in QUESS Corp with a fantastic salary package of 2.64 lakh package. It's a dream come true. But here is the magic of Evision. Their incredible support team. They were always there to clear my doubts, provide one-on-one guidance, solution, and assist me throughout the course. That level of support made all the difference and clear my whole doubts during the whole training. I wholeheartedly recommended everyone to join Evision and searching for online course. It's not just a platform, it's a community that fosters growth and learning. Trust me, this is the best platform for every student out there who have to learn and earn. Thank you Evision for helping me achieve my goals and for being such an incredible support system on my journey to success. Today, where I am, it's all about and all of because of for Evision.